Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever the case may be. This is for periods 1 and 5. For Thursday, February 25th, it's also known as an asynchronous work day, so it's not that school is canceled, it's just that we won't be having live class. Alright, so this is first period classroom. I'm going to be going back and forth between 5th and 1st, but really you guys are doing the same thing, which is why I just made one video. First of all, I have a letter attached to Classroom, assigned to Classroom, posted on Classroom. It should be the word posted for you to read. So check it out. Here's the letter. It basically tells you what I want you to do today. I want you to open your Unit 3 Digital Interactive Notebook. That is correct. We have a new unit we just started, and I want you to open up your notebook. All right? That's item 1. I want you to personalize the cover with your name and a symbol that represents early American history. So that's 2 things. And then 3, a personal symbol. I want your name. I want a symbol of early American history, early America. And then I want a personal symbol up here. I chose my Washington Capitals logo. Also because I like the capitals and it blends in with the red background. All right? So you do those things. Easy. All right, next up, number 3, you go to your vocabulary. We're going to skip over this unit guide section. We're going to go right to our vocabulary. And I'm only asking that you do one word. The word is governed. Governed means the people who are ruled by a government. So in other words, in the United States, the citizens are the governed. We are the governed. Now we have power in a democracy. We elect the leaders. But we are still considered people who are ruled, right? The government makes the laws, we follow the laws. All right? In exchange, the government protects us. They're supposed to provide safety and security, jobs, education, those types of things. Please complete a complex sentence, including the word and the definition, and then a visual. All right. Easy enough. That takes you through number 3. All right, the bulk of the day is number 4. And number 4 is, sorry, I'm skipping around here. Number 4 is the Founding Ideas Notes. So this is really the lesson for the day. What you're going to be doing, continuing here. Actually just got interrupted, so. All right. This is the bulk of the day. This is what we're learning. I really want all of you guys to have a familiarity with the terms consent of the governed, limited government, rule of law, democracy, and representative government. What I want you to do is take one of these definitions over here on the left, and I want you to match it with the word that it belongs to. Well, how will you know what the definition is? Each of these terms is hyperlinked. And when you click on the hyperlink, it will take you to our Fairfax Discovery Tech Book. You will log in with your FCPS username and login. Don't log in with Google. If it asks you, log in with your same thing that you log into a computer with. You will read, I don't think you even have to read the entire section, although it would not hurt. The definition really should be in the first paragraph. So you will read, consent of the governed is a phrase in the Declaration of Independence that describes an important principle in the U.S. government. The principle is that the power of legitimate governments should come from the consent or permission of the people who are ruled by that government. So I'm looking for the definition here. the power of legitimate governments should come from the consent or permission of the people. Really, this is where I find the definition. All right, so I'm going to go back to my notebook now that I have a better idea. Citizens give the authority to government in exchange for protection of their rights. And that's it. They're giving authority or consent. So this definition fits right in here. They all fit. And there we go. Now the second step is to find the example that has to do with consent of the governed. And your examples are written in red text, and there are 5 of them. 1 for each of the terms. You're going to take the term, whichever one you think it is, and drag it to where you think it belongs. The examples. All right. If you get lost, replay these directions. Also, the directions are written down here at the bottom of your screen. Okay. So you're going to complete this page with these definitions and the examples, thus completing number 4, and then you go on to number 5. All right, number 5 is study guide questions 1 through 5 on slide 14. So over here, find slide 14. There we are. The number is located right here in case you're wondering. And here are the questions. It's basically these definitions, and it's fine to put those answers in. All right, what is representative government? What is limited government? What is rule of law? What is democracy? And what is consent of the governed? And that is the final activity. Don't forget, if you have not finished either the multiple choice or writing part of the Unit 2 test, you need to finish it. I will be grading it over the next couple of days, and it's going into my grade book. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. I hope you email me if you have any questions. On Google Classroom, please turn in this letter so that I know that you've read it. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just kidding, you don't have to do that.